Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch on your phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, open the Google Chrome browser. After the browser is open, use the search bar at the very top. Here, simply search for google.com. Once you search it and automatically open the website. After this page is open, look at the top right corner. Here you can find your Google app profile icon. Simply tap on it and wait to open them. After that, scroll down slowly. Here you can see more settings or similar name. Tap to open them. After this page is open, scroll down again. You can find SafeSearch or similar name. Click to open it. Here you can basically see three options: filter, blur or off. If your phone is selected filter blur mode, this means it is turned on. To turn them off, simply choose the off option. After it's selected, you are done. Simply back to the previous page, and right now your SafeSearch mode is off. That's it, how you can easily turn off SafeSearch on your phone. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also subscribe to my new channel to support it.